Hey, it's your girl Amber J coming at you again with another hair video. If you would like to see how I achieve these feet in braids, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So here I'm just applying a generous amount of Murray's Edge wax. This is what's going to sleek the roots down and give it a nice soft shiny finish. You can either use edge control or even jam, but I personally do not like using gel because it's a water-based product and it will make them roots wave up, and don't nobody want that. So yeah. So I'm just taking a small amount of braiding hair and starting a regular French braid. I'm going to braid down about 4 times, and now I'm going to start adding the hair in. So you slide it between your index and thumb and just join it with the rest of the hair. I'm going to keep doing the same thing. I'm going to stop, slide it between my index and my thumb, mesh it with the rest of the hair, and continue braiding like normal. So here's a more clear view of what exactly I'm doing. I started off the same, a small piece of hair, doing a normal French braid. And I'm just gonna slide the braiding hair between my index and thumb. And then you're gonna join the rest of the hair with it. You're just gonna keep braiding down. So you're just really gonna keep repeating this. I'm gonna do it again. Take a small amount of hair, slide it between my index and my thumb. Today. And just make it one with the rest of the hair and just keep going. guys for watching my video. If you want to see more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely keep them coming. Until next time.